You know how much I love to upcycle, so today we are going to make some beautiful mini canisters for your kitchen using these awesome Nescafe instant coffee jars that I save and can't seem to get rid of. Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful set of mixed media jars using my Xyron Creative Station and a bunch of other fun stuff. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some mixed media jars. E6000 spray adhesive is also perfect for indoor use because it has no odor and it's water soluble, so you can clean it up with a little bit of soap and water. Several coats of clear lacquer will make these jars easy to keep clean. I like filling silicone molds with hot glue because it's flexible and when it dries, it can be easily bent to fit most shapes. I'm gonna leave a link to everything I used for this project, including all of the beautiful images I used for my jars. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.